Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, The Lifeopedia. Here you will get life-changing short stories and biographies with motivational thoughts and ideas. So let's start the story. Child is the father of man. We all have heard this famous line of William Wordsworth, and yes, this story will surely prove it. This story is about a banker who encourages school children to save and offers his customers cash for recycling plastic waste. But the really remarkable thing about this banker is that he is still a child himself. When many of his peers dreamt of becoming professional footballers, firefighters, or music stars, he had his dream set on the world of finance from an early age. By the age of 7, attending a state school in the Peruvian city of Arequipa, he decided to set up a bank for children. He was motivated by seeing his peers skipping lunch because they had spent the little money they had on sweets or football cards. What drove him even more was the poverty he saw among children who were not attending their primary schools. In an interview once he said, "Seeing children living in poverty, seeing many children working in the streets, at the traffic lights selling sweets, begging, made me think, why can't these children go to a normal school?" Nothing else but these thoughts made that young boy establish the Barcelona Student Bank, also called the Green Bank for Kids, which has now more than 2,000 clients between the ages of 10 and 18 and offers loans, microinsurance, and other financial services. The children can withdraw money from the cash points of several banks and building societies using personal bank cards, which no one else can use, and monitor their branches online. He also set savings goals his clients had to reach in order to withdraw money. Would you like to know the name of this extraordinary young talent? His name is Jose Adolfo, who has earned a great reputation at such a young age because of these initiatives that many adults never thought of before. 7 years ago, he managed to convince a handful of teachers and pupils that his idea could work. And it really worked. Since then, he has won many awards nationally as well as internationally, as the UNICEF's Child and Youth Finance International Award 2014, the Children's Climate Prize 2018, and many more. The student bank really took off when he came up with an innovative way for the children to earn money by collecting recyclable plastic or paper waste. The children bring plastic bottles, used school exercise books, and old newspapers to a stall at their school where these are weighed and their bank accounts are credited with the corresponding amount of money. He struck deals with local recycling companies to pay his bank's clients a slightly higher price than normal. He said, "We don't want the children to be in the street collecting rubbish, but at home stopping the rubbish from reaching the street. So in their homes they put out boxes for cardboard, paper, bottles. They start collecting and thus these things become valuable." His efforts have not gone unnoticed by Peru's Environment Ministry, which has made home recycling one of its principal campaigns. The country has introduced a law to tackle its estimated 18,000 tons of solid waste a day, half of which is not disposed of in landfills and ends up on streets, beaches, and in rivers. Peru's Environment Minister Lucia Ruiz praised him and said, He is making an incredible change in financial structuring and financial education that perhaps many adults could not have come up with. The bank recycles about 4 tons of material a month and has stalls in 7 schools in Arequipa. More are on a waiting list. Increasingly, the model is in demand in the rest of Peru and abroad. It would not be wrong to say that if you have the heart and mind to learn, you can learn from anyone and everyone. And yes, this young banker, Jose Adolfo, is the finest example that from whom you can learn some of the best lessons of life. For more such inspirational stories, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, The Lipopedia.